look at question number 38, which is an example of solving equations or inequalities in one variable. So anytime we're dealing with inequalities in terms of the basis of how we solve, super similar to equations, only slight changes may have to be made in certain circumstances. All right, so we have 3b plus 14 is less than or equal to 21. So anytime we're solving for a value, whether we have an equation or inequality, the goal is to get the variable by itself, right? And we do that by combining like terms. So we have 3b, we have 14, and we have 21. So 3b, of course, is the only term that's attached to a variable, so that's by itself. And then we have 14 and 21, which are both constants. So I always like to recognize what is actually going to be connected or combined together, so it makes it easier to go through and do the math. All right, and remember the goal is to get the variable by itself. So if we bring everything down, we have 3b plus 14 is less than or equal to 21. All right, so we are going to move the 14 to the other side. So we always do the opposite of what we see. So because this is plus 14, if I want to move them to the opposite, which is subtraction, so I'm going to subtract 14 from both sides. All right, these are going to cancel out. I'm going to bring down my 3b, and 21 minus 14 is going to give me 7. All right, anytime I have a number and a variable joined together without a space in between, they have been multiplied together or they're married. So if we do the opposite of what we see, we're going to divorce them or divide them. So we're going to divide both sides by 3. All right, these 3s are going to cancel out. And we're going to bring down our value. So here we have b is less than or equal to 7/3. So normally when you guys end up with an answer as a fraction in this scenario, normally the answer choices are already in that form, so you don't want to go beyond that. Just always reference how the answers are given, so you would know if you would have to go through a simplifier or change it to a decimal. You'll know based on what you see. All right, so of course we know it's not A, we know it's not C because of the zeros. So with B and D, we just have to be careful because we have to know what the direction of the symbol. So in this case, the answer would be D.